Cruise along the campground trails without having to lose tons of storage space, or having to use those bulky bike racks with this Faulkner electric folding bike. Built on a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, the Faulkner electric folding bike weighs just 57 pounds and features a 250-pound weight capacity. A couple features are the 20-inch tires, steel forks, cargo rack, LED display, a 6-speed Shimano derailleur, a comfortable leather saddle seat, LED lights on the front and back, and cable-actuated V-brakes. For compact storage, the bike folds at the center of the frame. The handlebars fold down, and the pedals fold in. The main feature of the Faulkner electric folding bike, though, has to be the 36-volt, 250-watt rear drive brushless motor. The motor lets you cruise along at a top speed of 19 miles an hour, and when using just battery power, has a max distance of 25 miles. Using the LED display, you can turn on and off the motor, check your battery level, and set the pedal assist level. Another great feature of this bike is the pedal assist system. It allows you to pedal the bike, taking control from the motor, so that way you'll use less battery power, which extends the max distance of your battery. Speaking of the battery, it locks in place on your bike and has a charge time between 4 to 6 hours. To stay up to date on all our latest videos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on any upcoming events, promotions, and news.